Happy to talk on that. We were really looking to switch because primarily we wanted to update a platform, something with more functionality. We certainly found that with DeliverLogic, with the ability to auto pay our restaurants, auto pay our drivers. It's really increased our efficiency, as well as using the dispatch team, which has allowed us to focus on growth, and we've been able to expand a lot faster than I ever thought possible. Because we weren't having to worry, because we knew the dispatch team is always going to have our customers, drivers, and restaurants' best interests in mind, and that they were there taking care of everything. It's made a huge difference, as well as really the support. The support's night and day different. The DeliverLogic team's always available. They're always willing to help out, answer any question that I might have, no matter how silly it might be, and that's been really invaluable as well as we move forward and continue to expand. So I'm actually fairly new to the restaurant delivery service industry. We started up in April, and I didn't have a whole lot of idea what I was doing. We started on the Daydreamer software at that time, just started trying to learn everything and kind of trial by error, see what we needed to change as we went. I got started primarily because of the pandemic. The business I did have slowed down, so I got into this industry as a way to really just get by while I waited on that to bounce back. It's taken longer than I ever thought, but thankfully, the delivery service has really taken off, and it's really become my primary focus, and I'm glad they asked. So the DeliverLogic team made the entire conversion process really seamless. My entire thing was I did not want any downtime. I didn't want to be closed for even a day. We were able to make that happen. It was a really simple process. Get all the menus imported over, to get the software set up. We had people there every second, every day to help guide us along the way, to suggest different settings on the back end and stuff like that. And of course, the dispatch team took the time. I was really impressed. The dispatch team actually took the time to do a conference call with all my drivers to let them know new expectations for what to expect with the apps, and with them dispatching instead of us. And it really just made the whole process very, very simple, very easy for us, easy for our restaurants, easy for our drivers. It was just a absolutely great experience. All right, so I'll take one for the company there and one for the software. I'll tell you, on the company side, it's absolutely the dispatch team that do a phenomenal job. They help us out in a lot of ways. I know that they always have my customers, restaurants, and drivers' best interests in mind. I never have to worry about, if I need to take a day off, or if I'm in another city starting up. I never have to worry about what's going on with the business. Everything's always taken care of. I know those guys. We get to know each other, and I trust those guys to do a phenomenal job, which they always do. On the software side, I have to say it's just the efficiency that's given us, with the ability to auto pay the drivers and restaurants, with the ability to run reports as easily and as many reports as you can run. There's just about anything you want to know about your business, how it's running, where the money's going, where the deliveries are coming from. There's a report for all of it, and that allows us to really be able to pivot and do what needs to be done to make different little changes in our business to make things run more efficiently and more profitably. And I would just say, keep doing what you're doing, keep improving. That's one of the things I love about this software, is it's always improving. It seems like every week there's new features coming out. There's new functionality to explore, and always taking our, as restaurant delivery service owners, feedback into consideration when coming out with those new improvements is awesome. And I just keep getting the word out to people, because I would have started sooner with DeliverLogic. I wish I would have converted sooner. I wish I would have started up with DeliverLogic, because it really would have saved us a lot of time and energy in doing manual tasks like menu entry in those first weeks and months when we got started, when we really needed to be focusing on growth. So super, super thankful, and can't wait to see what comes out in the future. Thanks.